Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Alright, so if you guys clicked on the video, then you guys know today we're actually going to be doing an Aprés unbox with me. I've actually been an Aprés artist, I want to say for about like 4 months now, like 4.5 months, give or take. And I just really do love the system. I love what the company stands for, and I love how they make, transferring from one set to another so simple and easy. And I feel like it also gives you more like focus on your artistry versus having to sacrifice your time for it. So yeah, if you guys have not checked it out, please do. This video is not sponsored, but yeah, I just overall really do like Aprés. My cousin, who's a nail artist, she actually put me onto it. I'm gonna link her Instagram right down below. If you guys have not checked her out, go check her out. It's at Shay Nailed It, and she's really good. She actually inspired me to go back to nail school, so yeah. But overall, I'm just gonna go grab some scissors and we will get to unboxing. All right, guys, I got my scissors. Yeah, they're kind of like stiff, but yeah, so last time that we did this, I kind of like cut my hand open, so we're gonna try to do this as simply as we can. And luckily today it's only one box, but just because it's one box doesn't mean she doesn't have good stuff inside. So let us get to opening. Now that she's open, let us see what's inside. Got the bubble wrap and the, we'll worry about that later. More bubble wrap. Please recycle, guys. I'm gonna recycle that. So first things first, I actually have some Gel X extensions. This is in the natural round medium. I do have like other sets. Let me know if you guys want me to do like a full like of what I've had of Aprés so far. Just because it's really easy to just add to cart on their site. And then I also have another one in square natural. I want to say this is in medium. I really do like the medium length, but these ones are actually the short stiletto, which I feel like is honestly a good length. And then I also have natural coffin in medium. So that's 3 of them. And then, so these were like in the natural style. They also do like the Gel X sculpted. So I got the sculpted square in medium. I feel like sculpted overall gives you like a little bit more durability, even though the natural ones are still durable, but I don't know, gives a little something extra. And then I also have the natural stiletto in medium here. I want to say last time I ordered, I think I have like 6 or 7 of the sculpted ones. So yeah, trust me guys, we don't have just all natural tips. And then that's pretty much it besides this. So let us see. Is it just me, or do you guys like order stuff but then you forget what you order? Happens to me all the time. This I would say is new. Like this confetti stuff is new. Last time it wasn't in the package. I'll take her out. All right, so we have the Gel X Prep, which is the acid-free primer that they just came out with. I had gotten 2 bottles. I don't know, I always feel like if I sense something's good, I'll buy extra of it before I even try it. But like the way that this is supposed to work is like before you had to like file the inside of the tip. So this is supposed to like, give you that like same like file factor without actually having to file it. So I'm excited about that. And then we also have the acid-free gel primer, which this is really good to just like, give your nails a nice good base, before you put on your base coat and stuff like that. But yeah, overall, this is everything from today's, Aprés unbox with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!